Performance 2024. We are excited to see you all, and I'm sure you all are equally excited to see all your kids, your sisters, brothers performing tonight. Today, this is Mayuri Raman, and this is my friend Sampurna Srivastav, and we are the host for tonight.
It's an absolute pleasure to welcome you all to this very special evening, beautifully organized by VPAC. Tonight, we gather not only to celebrate the incredible talent of VPAC students, but to pay heartfelt homage to one of the greatest icons of Indian dance, Sarojji, lovingly known as Master Ji. Sarojji was more than just a choreographer. She was a visionary and revolutionized storytelling through dance. Her work exemplified passion and talent. While she incorporated various traditional dance forms, folklore was among her favorites. With every gesture, every expression, and every move, she breathed life into countless songs, forging a deep connection with audiences around the world. From making us sway to lively beats to moving us with soulful choreography, she transformed dance into a universal language of expression.
For Vandana Ji, Saroj Khan had always been an inspiration. Vandana grew up watching Master Ji's work, admiring her ability to blend intricate choreography with heartful storytelling. Fueled by her passion for teaching dance, Vandana Ji dreamt of learning directly from the legend herself, yes, by Saroj Khan. And in a beautiful twist of fate, the universe conspired that idea of Vandana Ji. And she actually made it into a reality. When she got the opportunity to attend Sarojji's workshop in Washington, D.C., and she took the sessions and everything was beautiful and she thoroughly enjoyed her time out there. However, she mentioned one of the beautiful incidences what happened when she was at the workshop. What happened that Amit Ji, her husband, got delayed in something, and here after the workshop, Vandana Ji was wondering that I have to go back home. However, Saroj Khan had no air about her celebrity kind of attitude, and she said that Vandana, I'm not letting you be on your own right now. I'll be sitting with you, I'll give you company. And that's how Sarojji was, according to Vandana Ji, that she was such a down-to-earth person that she stayed with her continuously, and according to Vandana Ji, it felt like she's talking to one of her relatives, a boo or somebody, right? So we see here that how celebrities like Saroj Khan has that humility in them, the empathy, and that's exactly what the attitude Vandana Ji has taken with her.
As Vandana and her students bring to life the spirit of Saroj Khan through their performances, we are reminded of the enduring power of dance to transcend time and connect generations. This recital is more than a performance. It is a tribute to a legacy that continues to inspire dreamers, dancers, and creators. A heartfelt thank you to Vandana Ji for her dedication in organizing this event and to the talented students who have worked tirelessly to honor Master Ji. Also to the parents and guests, especially you guys, since you have been chauffeuring around your kids for all the practices. Your presence here fuels the passion of every performance on the stage. Let us now immerse ourselves in a celebration of rhythm, grace, and heartfelt emotions as we honor Saroj Khan's unparalleled legacy and the inspiration she has passed on to Vandana and other countless choreographers. Thank you and enjoy the show.
However, there are a few house rules. Cell phones must be on vibrate mode during the program. No flash photography is allowed. Be respectful to the performers, kindly be seated during the performances. Entry and exit will only be permitted in between programs. Door will remain closed while programs will be underway. And snacks are available for purchase. And please follow us on the social media. Thank you.
I would like to mention here a special thank you to parents who have actually sponsored the snacks for tonight. Also, this event wouldn't be possible without our sponsors, so I would like to shout out to the sponsors for 2024. They are NC House Rentals Incorporation, Real Triangle Properties, and Bharat Bazaar.
Thank you.
As we move on to the first performance for tonight, I would like to give a little backstory. Born as Nirmala Nagpal on November 22nd, 1948, Saroji adopted her stage name after she entered the film industry as a young child artist. She initially worked as a child artist and later on transitioned to be a background dancer. One notable appearance as a background dancer she had was in the song Aiye Meherban from 1958 movie Hagra Bridge, starring Madhubala. Dressed as a boy, young Saroj Khan can be spotted among the group dancers, learning the craft that will eventually lead her to become one of the Bollywood's most influential choreographers. Please welcome our teens from Team Ruby with a round of applause as they attempt to create the magic on stage.
इज गोल्ड। ये पुराने गाने सुनते ही मन झूम जाता है ना? बात कर रहे हैं हम लोग सरोज खान जी की। तो जैसा आपको पता चला, वो 3 साल की उम्र में she became a dancer and she was just dancing as a background dancer. So what happened that working as a background dancer gave her first-hand experience with the art of choreography and an understanding of dance in Indian cinema. Sarojji went on to assist choreographer like B. Sohan Lal, who became her mentor and greatly influenced her style. Very few people know that the first song Saroj Khan choreographed single-handedly was the film Dil Hi To Hai, which was released in 1963. This song was निगाहें मिलाने को जी चाहता है. I know I'm a bad singer, but I just love this song. And it was picturized on Nutan. Please welcome a very talented and graceful dancer, Ananya, Vandanaji's daughter, and a dance teacher herself to showcase this iconic number. So please encourage her by your...
Wow, what a mesmerizing performance. I absolutely loved Anya's facial expressions and I'm in complete awe. Please give a round of applause once again to Anya. By the 1970s, Saroj Khan began choreographing independently and she soon became famous for her distinctive choreography. Her big break came with the song Hawa Hawai from Mr. India, which was released in 1987 featuring Sridevi. This was one of Sridevi's most memorable performances. In fact, this was a song that made Saroj Khan a household name in India. Sarojji beautifully utilized Sridevi's iconic timing and charm to create this iconic song. It was marked the beginning of Sridevi and Saroj Khan's partnership, and Sarojji won Filmfare Award after that when she worked again with Sridevi for Chalbaz for the song Na Jaane Kahan Se Aayi Hai. Coming up next, our 4 to 6 years old are all set to win our hearts with their moves. Please welcome our Pearl team with a round of applause.
Oh, भागी सी क्या घर से भाग के आई है मेरे हाथों में देते हाथ
By our divas and just one rock star there. Please give a round of applause for our kids. Coming up next, this is the first time for these performers. Our men beginner group will be performing next on a medley of Telugu and Hindi contemporary dance numbers with peppy lyrics and infectious beats. O Maria is an energetic Telugu number featuring Chiranjeevi and Saundarya. Whereas Tama Tama, on the other hand, inspired by African beats, has our iconic Madhuri Dixit and Sanjay Dutt duo. Who would have even thought in the wildest of dreams that Sanjay Dutt could match the steps with iconic Madhuri Dixit? But Sarojji actually made that happen. She would always say that she took more pride when she made a non-dancer dance. So please welcome on stage our beat breakers who are performing for the first time. Thank you so much.
Namaste everyone. Thank you so much for coming. Look at what we're putting up here. How are you guys liking it? Yeah. Okay, so our dancers range from 4 years old to 7 years old. That's none of your business how old they are, okay? I'm happy to see the amount of energy that there is between dances, but these kids come from competitive teams. They are used to winning national titles. They love a good cheer. So when you see something you like, just go, wow! All right? Just go crazy. They love an audience. That's why they're up here. That's why y'all paid this money. Enjoy yourself, okay? And please, please, please cheer for them. And to get a better view, you guys are gonna wanna empty out the first 3 rows and go to the 4th row. That's gonna be your best view because there's a lot of kids like jumping around. You're gonna have the best view from a little bit further away. I almost asked you if you have any questions. I don't care. Enjoy your show.
Straight way to watch and get mesmerized. Thank you.
a lovely mujra sequence. And moving on to the next one, that's actually a traditional folk-inspired medley. And all the songs, of course, you guys will all know. These are all iconic numbers in Bollywood. Nimbura mix. So basically, Badi Mushkil, Baba Badi Mushkil, Chane Ke Khet Mein by Madhuri and Sarojji's duo, and then Nimbura, of course, Aishwarya Rai. Sarojji, she has detailed attention for gestures, and with her expressions and movements, she has created these beautiful numbers. All these actresses, Manisha, Madhuri and Aishwarya, they have worked multiple times with Sarojji, and their choreography, their expression, their fluidity, their grace has helped create these Bollywood iconic numbers. I wouldn't take much of your time, and please put your hands together and cheer our teens from Choral Team.
झुमका 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 पायलिया पायलिया गंगना 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 झुमका 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 पायलिया पायलिया छनक छनक के बोले छनक छनक के बोले ओ बड़ी मुश्किल बड़ी मुश्किल गोरे गोरे गालों पे काला काला बड़ी मुश्किल बाबा बड़ी मुश्किल दिल पे अटक जाए आशिकों का दिल जरा बच के रहना चलिए जरा बच के रहना चलिए मेरी अदा भी है मुश्किल बाबा बड़ी मुश्किल गोरे गोरे गालों पे काला काला बड़ी मुश्किल बाबा बड़ी मुश्किल दिल पे अटक जाए आशिकों का दिल
That was Saroj Khan Dance Bazaar, right? आप अपने चेहरे से कितनी सारी चीजें बता देते हैं. ऐसे ये डांस होती है सरोज खान जी की. और जो नेक्स्ट नंबर है वो है श्रृंगारम. From this high beat energy, to Bharatnatyam style dance. Sringaram is one of the most celebrated work of Masterji. She choreographed the intricate Malari, which is a devotional musical form. Malari is played at the first musical item by the Nadswara, a wind instrument. During temple festivals, before the temple deity is taken out in processions. Aditi Rao beautifully recited this dance piece, mastering, and Masterji was facilitated with a national award for her work. Please welcome our teens from the Emerald team to showcase this intricate piece. But before that, let's watch something very dear to our group.
When she was choreographing a very pure classical piece called a Padam, and it's about the second heroine dancing to the collector, where she has to subtly seduce him with her sensuality and all that. And there was one line in the film where the heroine is in that song, the heroine of that song is waiting for her lover to come. And there's just a very, very simple line which says, I was decorating and braiding my hair and waiting for you in anticipation. That's all the line was. So Saroji performed to that. She did something to that. And both the heroine and I were speechless, because in that one line, she gave me 16 different expressions: anticipation, anxiety, breathlessness, tension, excitement, worry, all of that. She gave me 16, we actually counted, me and the heroine actually counted. Speechless. She got nervous, she sort of snapped out of that mood and she said, "Maine kuch galat kiya kya?" She was invited by one of the most purest sabhas of Chennai. Completely classical sabhas called the Shri Krishna Gana Sabha, which is one of the premier sabhas here, only for classical arts. She was one of the persons who was invited to give a lecture demonstration. We never ever invite people from cinema like that, usually. And never from Bollywood,
delicate dance form, right? And Bharatnatyam is very close to my heart as well because my daughters have learned that. तो इसलिए एक-एक भाव, एक-एक मुद्रा, एक-एक हाथ का और आँख की जो सारी बारीकियत होती है वो देखने को मिलता है। बच्चों ने बहुत ही बखूबी से उस रोल को किया है। तो कम ऑन, आप लोग बस थोड़ा सा मेहनत करें। From Bharatnatyam to some patriotic, spirited, high-energy song. Yato hasta tato drishti. Typically in any dance form, our eyes follow our hands. This song was picturized on Kajol, who is visually impaired in the movie, and hence in the choreography you will find no eye and hand coordination. Have you all guessed it? Kaun sa song hai? Any guesses? Desi Rangila. Yes, this is what you're gonna enjoy right now from the Garnet team. So let's welcome them with a round of applause. Come on, people.
In her illustrious career, Saroj Khan choreographed more than 2,000 songs in the Indian film industry in different genres. Songs are a continuation to the storytelling. Our diamond group comprises of beginner ladies who will present the next medley, which is actually an amalgamation of wedding songs from different parts of India. Chalkare, Mehndi Hai Rachne Wali, and Goonje Angna Mein Shehnai. Please put your hands together for the ladies, our diamond ladies, and they are performing shortly.
छलका छलका रे
way, those were the adult beginners group. Who would say they were the beginners? Anybody? Naina? क्या बेहतरीन performance था. Come on. I have already told Vandana ji that I am going to be one of your students now. After seeing this, मुझे ऐसा उम्मीद है कि मैं भी डांस कर सकती हूँ. So thank you, Vandana ji. So the next number is again one of my favorites, Barsore. जी हाँ, this is another one. जरा दिल थामे, जरा सुन ले कि क्या किया था हमारी मास्टर जी ने. So this was another number which actually got the Filmfare Award. Sarojji and Aishwarya Rai duo were again able to create magic on screen with the song Barsore, Megha, on the movie Guru. This Filmfare, and they got the Filmfare Award. It was recognized as the best choreographer the 8th time, imagine. And then Aishwarya managed to pull off a perfect performance despite shooting in Kerala's monsoon season, accompanied by roaring thunder. So right now, the pre-teens from the Opal team will be presenting this, और उन ऐश्वर्या की तरह यहाँ हम फिर झूमेंगे और मस्ती करेंगे, पर आपकी तालियां बजते रहनी चाहिए.
Na
faculty. I just wanted to quickly give a shout out to our sponsors for tonight, without whom this event wouldn't be possible. NC House Rentals, Bharat Bazaar and Real Triangle Properties.
Everyone is well settled, eaten something, had your refreshments? Good, good. That's what we wanted to hear. So the next segment, I would not delay too much, but because while looking at Sarojji's lifestyle and lifespan, we gathered a lot of information. So the next program, which is going to happen soon, is done by the teens group. मतलब power pack performance, right? और ये गाने हैं काली काली आँखें, ये इश्क है आइला रे आए. So I'm gonna give you a little bit of information what I had gathered, because ये काली काली आँखें has been choreographed on Shah Rukh Khan, and it was his first movie, Bazigar. And he was very intimidated. He was really troubled that how he's gonna dance. However, what Sarojji mentioned, that he has the same energy and attitude to working hard, just like Madhuri Dixit. So he said that Shah Rukh Khan is the female version of Madhuri Dixit. है ना कमाल की बात? The other thing what I learned about Ye Ishq Hai, which was choreographed on Kareena Kapoor, she got a lesson from Saroj Khan. She was told, अगर पाँव नहीं चल रहे हैं तो चेहरा चमकाओ. So she kind of got her lesson there, and of course she earned, basically Sarojji earned another Filmfare Award for that as well. So and Akshay Kumar तो power pack performance करते ही हैं. So अब हम देखेंगे teen groups के through beautiful performance. So आप लोगों की ताली शुरू हो जानी चाहिए. Thank you.
ये काली काली आंखें, ये गोरे गोरे गाल, ये तीखी तीखी नजरें, ये हिरनी जैसी चाल. ये काली काली आंखें, ये गोरे गोरे गाल, ये तीखी तीखी नजरें, ये हिरनी जैसी चाल. देखा जो तुझे जानम हुआ है पूरा हाल. ये काली काली आंखें, ये गोरे गोरे गाल, ये तीखी तीखी नजरें, ये हिरनी जैसी चाल.
Thank you for creating nostalgia for all of us in that era. Saroj Khan broke barriers by becoming one of first women to work as a choreographer in male-dominated Bollywood film industry. Although Filmfare Awards started in 1954, the Best Choreography category was not incorporated up until '89. The game-changing Ek Do Teen was popular, and that helped Tezab become the highest-grossing film in 1988 and inspired the Filmfare Awards to introduce Best Choreography Awards. With Sarojji being its first recipient, she paved the ways for the rest of the choreographers who came after her. It actually took only 20 minutes for Sarojji to choreograph Ek Do Teen, while Madhuri took around 10 days to perfect the art. Sarojji also holds the record of winning 3 consecutive years at the Filmfare, making it a hat-trick. She won for Ek Do Teen in 1989, and in 1990 it was Na Jaane Kahan Se Aaye Hai. Then in 91 it was Humko Aajkal Hai, Sailab. And again in 1993 she recreated magic with Madhuri Thak Thak, and Madhuri got the name Thak Thak after that. In 94 it was Choli Ke Piche. Our Emerald team, which comprises of our talented teens, will showcase the next medley of her iconic dance numbers, including the award-winning songs like Ek Do Teen, Humko Aajkal Hai, and Thak Thak. Brace yourself.
I love you.
much, teams. Let's put our hands together once again for the teams. I would also like to again give a big shout out to our sponsors for tonight, and I request them to come on stage. NC House Rentals, Bharat Bazaar, and Real Triangle Properties. Kindly come on stage. I also request Vandana ji to be on the stage, please. Sponsors from Bharat Bazaar. I request if we have somebody in the house from NC House Rentals or Real Triangle Properties, if there is anyone. Samantha. Thank you so much. To the next performance. Thoda Thoda Pyar from Love Aajkal and Ghani Bawari from Tanu Weds Manu returns. These are both high energy folk numbers. While Thoda Thoda is influenced by Punjabi folk, Ghani Bawari is influenced by Haryanvi. Remembering Saroj ji from Tanu Weds Manu, Kangana had said that she had a different kind of connect with her, and that Saroj ji actually she was very protective about the young women working in Bollywood. She was like a mother figure to her. And Saroj ji actually called Kangana looking for work when she was making Manikarnika, and that's how Manikarnika happened. And Kangana remembered her saying that Saroj ji was keeping pretty unwell. She was not even able to walk on her own, and she was supported by her family members when she walked up to the stage. But it was a true pleasure to have her on the stage, and she choreographed 2 pieces for Kangana's movie Manikarnika. Our ladies batch, which is the team name is Amber, will be performing on these 2 numbers, and to request you to put your hands together and cheer them.
all have she achieved? Vandaji has achieved numerous awards and recognition for her work in dance. Known for her expertise in Bollywood and Indian folklore dance, she has led her students to excel in regional and national competitions, for example at the Star Quest Regionals. She received the Inspirational Passion Award for her choreography and her teams won multiple awards, including Platinum Awards, Best Costume Awards, which you can see why, the first place titles across various categories. Additionally, her students have been awarded scholarships such as one to Broadway Dance Center in New York for the outstanding solo performance, also national winners of Studio of Excellence and Apache Banner winners too, Showbiz and Primetime Regional and many more. I was not told to read this at all, believe me or not. But after looking at all the dance numbers, I feel that we all need to know how beautiful dancers are and what they are inspiring the next generation. So many from here would be next Saroj Khan, don't you all think? Exactly. So now moving to the next segment, it is the folk genre. It is from the folk genre. And the song is Radha Kaise Na Jale. Yes. And one of the other things I would like to add in here about Sarojji, that when the actor, I believe she was called Gracie Singh, she was again very intimidated that how is she going to perform and dance, what is Saroj Khan's expectation. So she was very intimidated and she was kind of behaving timid. But Sarojji said, I can see that you are troubled, don't worry, sit beside me, and today we are just going to kind of practice the facial expressions. You don't have to get up, just get the hand movements, your facial expression, your eyes movement, things like those. And then the next day she actually went into the proper steps. So this is how Saroj Khan made everything which was impossible to possible. So again, let's have a round of applause for Opal Classic. The teen group is from age 10 to 13. The pre-teens. Come on, guys.
से मिले मन तो राधा के ही प्रेम के हैं फूल खिले, इसलिए राधा जले, इसलिए राधा जले, बिना सोचे समझे, इसलिए राधा जले, इसलिए राधा जले। सांझ सखारे जमुना किनारे राधा राधा ही गाना पुकारे।
बाहों के हार जुटा ले कोई कान्हा के
किसी गोपी के मन में जो पले, किस लिए राधा जले, राधा जले, राधा जले,
राधा कैसे न चले,
किस लिए राधा जले, किस लिए राधा जले।
राधा कैसे न चले, राधा कैसे न चले।
Facing it. What a lovely performance. The choreography, the props, and the last sequence. This was amazing. Thank you so much, Opal team. Thank you for this melodious, graceful performance. Sarojji won Filmfare, IIFA, and National Award for her outstanding work in the movie Devdas. She had a perfect team to showcase her work as well as know how gifted Madhuri and Aishwarya are as dancers. During the making of Dola Re, Sarojji was severely sick and hospitalized almost after she finished the choreography. The song was heavily influenced by Rabindra Sangeet when I'm talking about Dola Re, and Mardala on the other hand was a pure Kathak number. Sarojji had depicted each Mardala differently. Our choral team teens will recreate this magic of these iconic numbers today. They will be dancing on Mardala, Silsila-e Chahat Ka, and Dola Re Dola Re. These are one of my favorites, so please put your hands together and welcome our teens from the choral team.
मार डाला
have been only observing their facial expressions, the props, the costume, everything. I am definitely going to take a lot with me tonight. Thank you so much, our teams for performing this beautiful number. Please give a round of applause once again for the Devdas crew.
Her dance is like the love song of the spring, her laughter like the murmur of a rill. Her eyes are like the light of morning, her hair the shadows of the hill. Indian Dancer by Sarojini Naidu, right? These lines does depict the meaning, the hidden meaning behind Indian Dancer. In any moment of life, we can express ourselves through dance, the music, the expressions. Sometimes you don't need lines. You can just emote your feelings through your hand gestures, eyes, and things like that. And that's exactly what Saroj Khan ji did with her dance numbers, the way she choreographed most of the dance. Saroj ji received 8 Filmfare and 3 national awards. In 2019, she was conferred the Padma Shri, one of India's highly civilian honors for her contribution to Indian cinema.
On July 3rd, 2020, legendary Bollywood choreographer Saroj Khan died in a Mumbai hospital after a cardiac arrest at the age of 71, leaving behind a legacy that will inspire the generations to come. She started working on her autobiography titled The Saroj Khan Story before her passing, but now it remains incomplete. Saroj Khan's life and career serves as a testament to her dedication, passion, and creativity. She will always be remembered as a true legend, inspiring countless choreographers like Farha Khan, Ahmed Khan, Remo Fernandez, and many more, also the dancers and actors. Thank you, Saroji, from the bottom of our heart for your invaluable contribution to Bollywood dance. Your memory will forever be etched in our hearts. Tabah Ho Gaye is a final tribute brought to you by our coaches. Please put your hands together, and I cannot wait to watch this because, of course, again, it's a Kathak piece. Thank you so much.
Hi everybody, this is the legend herself, Vandana Ranjan. So we wanted to come out here and thank our 2 MCs first and foremost, because they have created this entire script and followed our show order in 2 days. We had an emergency, we had to switch MCs, and they stepped up, and look how good they look stepping up. Mama. I think we're gonna be eternally grateful to you guys. Thank you for that, because without a good MC, I don't think it would work out.
I learned a lot about dance today, so I told you I'm going to be a
All right. Oh, a picture. Forget it. All right. And just a few. Thank you so much, ladies. And now a few words from the woman of no words. So, Vandana Ranjan.
Mostly I don't like in front and talk, but because this is Saroji's, my guru, I wanted to do this tribute to her when I met her last time in 2018. That was my last workshop with her in DC. I really wanted to invite her for one of my recitals, but didn't get a chance to do that. She's the one who taught me that one word can be expressed in thousands ways, like Mar Dala as a Mar Dala, Allah. So there are thousands of ways to show that one word, and which she has proved in dance. Mar Dala, that every time there were different Mar Dala for her. There was no repetition of any one Mar Dala. And she was very strict and very humble. When she was not wearing a cap of a teacher, very down to earth, soft heart. Whenever I went to her workshop and learned from her, I felt that I'm talking to my Boa or Mossy, because we used to gossip a lot about Bollywood. She told us so many gossip about so many big directors, and yeah. So, but I will now zip up here. Before that, I would like to thank all my students, parents, and loved ones. Thank you so much for being here, supporting these budding artists. As we shine and stage tonight, my heart overflows with gratitude and love. Thank you everyone for taking time from your busy Saturday and coming to I do have few people to thank to I want to thank my incredible students, even though sometimes they are really pain, but I really love them. Their passion, dedication, or growth inspire me every day and every practice. They encourage me to think out of the box, do something new, and push them more because they wanted to be growing, and they want me to, or their coaches to push them and go beyond the limits. And I always say that VPAC is nothing without parents' support. I always call VPAC family. I don't call it VPAC school or academy. It's always VPAC family. Whenever new student joins, or new mother comes, or father comes, or parents comes, I always send the message, welcome to the VPAC family. Your trust has encouraged and sacrifices mean everything. Your children are only able to be at practices and able to gain the resources that they need, or it's all because of you guys. Thank you, parents, once again. You can applause for yourself. As I said, I like to be backstage or behind the scene. I'm not an in front of camera kind of person, because you have to wash your face and look pretty, so that is really hard for me. I like my workout shoes and outfit and just teach dancing. I don't like coming front and put on makeup and all. So yeah, today Ananya pushed me that I have to be in front. So please ignore all my faults, but I am talking here. I don't know what I'm saying, but yeah. You're fine. And yes, I want to thank my talented teachers and staff. This year we had very talented coaches. We have hired Minakshi, which is VPAC's former student, and then Nan Acharya, Aditi, and Ananya. We have this year, because of their talent and experience, they all are talented and have experience in teaching a competitive teams. So that because we are a competitive school, so we needed that kind of talent. And they know what they are doing. So thank God they are more strict than me. So I'm the nice one now. So I want to thank them. Because of them this year, and because of our parents, our students, we got the national level Studio of the Excellence banner this year from National. So it's a VPAC team, congratulations VPAC student, teachers, and parents. I always think that what we get from community, this is our responsibility to give to the community back. So every year my annual show, I try to donate whatever proceedings comes, and so this year again we are giving away or donating whatever we make. It will be going to St. Baldrick Foundation. We are humbled to support our life-changing mission, your life-changing mission. And to my family, without your support and help, this would not have been nearly as successful as it was. My in-laws have stepped up, and all they have done is cover all for me and support me. Poor Bhaiya Bhabhi, they are visiting here from India, and from last 2 months they are just cooking, cleaning, and thank you so much, thank you. So I think they came that, oh, we are going to America, we're gonna be visiting here and there, but they didn't know that the big show is coming. I kept my quiet because I needed that help. And thank you, Bhabhi ji, she was covering for me all the time. Whenever I reach home, food was cooked, house was clean, she was taking. And Bhaiya also, he was helping Bhabhi ji. So he has no choice but yeah, thank you Bhaiya. And I'm so thankful, my husband Amit, you are my best half from Amit is my best half from last 33 years. And in both in this event and in the home, I'm so thankful. He is my strongest support. He never asked me that why I'm coming late around 10 o'clock or 10:30 or sometime 11 in the night. He never asked me what I'm doing, how much I'm earning, whatever. Whatever is I'm doing in VPAC, it stays with me and with VPAC. He never asks, he never questions. And whenever I come home, tea is ready. So, and today I will just want to tell something that whenever it doesn't matter how late I come, he always waited outside, opens the door for me and waits outside for me, just to make sure that I reach home safe. Thank you so much and I love you. I really want to help, want to thank our MCs tonight, Mayuri and Sampurna. Without you, it was not possible because it was a really emergency. I just called Mayuri and she called Sampurna, and they team up and they came. Within 2 days, they just did everything. They did lots of research about Sarojji, about VPAC and how we give the training and all, and then they come up with this script, or they did a wonderful job. Thank you so much again, Mayuri and Sampurna. So now I'm gonna wrap. I have talked too much. I'm tired. So now our finale dance. I think our students are ready to perform a finale dance for you guys, and we're gonna miss you, Sarojji. Thank you for teaching me.
All the love that you guys give. These kids are learning not just an art and a skill, they're learning life skills. They're learning to be disciplined, they're learning to be on time and responsible. And the more that you show up the way that you do, the more they are able to show up as good dancers and good people. Thank you so much for all of your support. We really appreciate it. Give yourselves a round of applause. And now I present to you our entire VPAC team. guys to get together. And ladies and gentlemen, I'm loving this enthusiasm for the iPhone photography. We have actual photographers, so please try to make sure that they also get a chance, okay? I'm loving the 3-4 cameras looking like a boba glass. It's fine, it's wonderful. But let him take the photos also, okay? Wherever he's at. All right, there he is. All right, it's up there.
Yeah.
And I have just one question. Be what?